Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I still think this is so extremely clear on the monthly at wave A, three waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I still don't even see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. It could possibly stretch out quite a bit more. We don't really know. It could even make its way up to a higher fib level. Eventually, it probably will make a wave 4 and a wave 5, but I definitely don't even see any evidence of the wave 4 starting yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, we're not really at a fib level. We definitely don't have a break or structure. Definitely still in an uptrend on these much higher roadmap time frames. Most likely still in a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have a little bit of a fib bounce on the daily. We do have a little bit of a push down, but for me, pretty much the only strategy on the yen pairs is to buy the dips. Look, all you have to do is zoom out on the daily or 4 hour time frame and see why buying the dips on the yen pairs has been such an amazingly profitable strategy. And I would definitely continue to do so. I personally ignore all the sorting opportunities, and I am personally just looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, if it does go down, if it does break structure, you could definitely look for sorts. I personally would be patiently waiting for the three-way pullbacks to go long again, just like I've been doing for pretty much years now on the yen pairs. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. Even right here is 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. So I personally am still looking for long opportunities at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if it does break below the structure, then you could definitely look for sorts on pullbacks. Otherwise, I would still be looking at this move as possibly making a fib bounce and possibly continuing the uptrend. If you do see it bounce from the 78%, if you do see it break structure, then I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If not, if it goes down and breaks structure to the downside, then okay, start looking for sorts at the end of pullbacks. Just remember that the trend is your friend until we have a confirmed trend chain on at least a 10 trend chains on at least a 4 hour to daily time frame. I personally think you should be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.